Lipana Lekelngetire ni umwe wa aria marahonokire gikuo ciarera kuma tharikira ya aici a mahiu iria iracungireire gikuo kia muru wa nyina na andu angi eri agithie na mbere kuhonia nguraro thibitari-ini umwe mwena wa Samburu ya irathiro. Aikari marauga ni magumirwo ni hahu wa guikara magitharikagirwo ciiko iria ciongererekete ica-ini ikuhi, aici a mahiu magikuo kwigwatira mishinga iria marahuthira gutabania tharikira ici kuma bururi-ini turigainie wa Ethiopia.
Ni jirani, tunakaa pamoja, tunakunywa maji pamoja na tunakula nyasi pamoja, tunakanga pamoja bila shida yoyote. Lakini sasa tukitendea unyama kama hiyo itakuwa ni kitu mbaya.
In this year there are 3 incidents. In the month of, I don't know, July, again another family was killed. Last year, that is, almost the whole family was wiped. Then this year again around July, they also attacked some young men who were hiding. They injured 2 people. So this is the third incident.
Aikari marauga ona thirikari igitabanagia mungururio wa gutunya matharaita aria megwateire na njira ya ngungo ni kinyagia ihinge marima maria aria mari na matharaita maya mahuthagira kumaingiria guku bururi-ini.
One thing I'm asking a very strong question. What is the government doing on this? The government has mobbed all the guns from the KPR, leaving people vulnerable. People come and attack. Where does these other guns coming from?
And I also kindly request the government to return the KPR guns, because now the Samburus are vulnerable. They cannot get the illegal guns, they are vulnerable. That's why they are under attack. In fact, in that Arapal area,
kuhitukira komishona wa gicigo kia Rift Valley George Natembea, thirikari ikoretwe kihinyiriria aikari aria megwateire matharaita na njira ya ngungo kumatherenda na ithenya-ini riu kweheranwo na thitango ya kwigwatira matharaita mugaru na watho manginyitwo.
Ukileta bunduki yako mambo yanakuishia hapo. Na iko na amnesty. Lakini baada ya mwezi kukwisha, tutaanza kufanya kazi ya kuchukua bunduki, kunyakua bunduki kutoka kwa mikono ya watu tukitumia nguvu. Maana serikali haitakubali raia wakuwe na bunduki, maana raia wametumia bunduki vibaya.
Icigo cia Pokot, Marakwet, Marsabit, Samburu na Turkana ni imwe cia icigo cia gitaru kia Rift Valley iria kwa ihinda iraya iturite igomeirwo ni wici wa mahiu na gucungirira njuragano na njukaniriro cia kinduriri. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Ani Ngigi wa Nyamu.